Yesterday, I told you that if I'm given the option to buy Bitcoin, that I will buy Bitcoin at 75,500. And currently, Bitcoin is trading around that zone. GM everyone, welcome to Trade with Bongrit. Today is Wednesday, the 27th of May 2026. Okay, so you guys are welcome. I told you yesterday I'm so bearish on Bitcoin, and you can see how massive Bitcoin sold yesterday. Okay, a lot of fundamentals are behind it, and don't forget, most of the top countries banks are still on holiday, and you know what that means. Okay, so what did we have on Bitcoin yesterday, and what are we expecting today? So this video I will make it as short as possible. Okay, because there is a lot of price action playing on Bitcoin lately. Okay, so I believe you can see my screen so much now, and I believe we have a lot to talk about this morning. Okay, so I've told you before now that Bitcoin is definitely coming to trade on this weekly rejection. If you remember, on Monday when we are doing our weekly review, I told you Bitcoin is coming to trade on this weekly rejection, and currently we are having it. So that's my buy option yesterday. Because of how bearish market is, I think I will do it based on confirmation. Okay, so what do we have on Bitcoin today? Don't forget, if you are watching the short clip of this analysis, do well to join our YouTube channel so that you will have the full review. You will watch the full review on our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's dive in and see what we have on Bitcoin today. So look at the high of Bitcoin yesterday. Bitcoin traded around 78k, and the low of Bitcoin yesterday was around 75,600, and currently Bitcoin is trading below the low of yesterday price action. Okay, so what do we have on Bitcoin today? I told you the essence of all this, despite the fundamental and everything backing it up, is for Bitcoin to come and cover the weekly rejection block that we had, which I told you on Monday. If you remember, I told you that Bitcoin is definitely coming to trade at least 50% of this weekly rejection before we see any upside move. And Bitcoin have traded 50% already. Let's hope for 75% and possibly full 100% of this weekly block before we can see upside movement. I hope you are following. Okay, you know the essence of this analysis is to always give you a guide and a review of what you should expect in the market. Okay, so if you wish to be part of our signal channels, don't forget to join our Telegram channel, where we do analysis every morning. Okay, the analysis on Bitcoin and other currencies, including your forex pairs. Okay, we take live trade and we make money. Okay, so let's dive into and see what we have on Bitcoin today. Okay, Bitcoin is currently trading downward. Let's see the first 4 hours of the Asian market. You know, there is one thing you need to understand about Asians. You cannot sell the market and expect Asians to buy. That's one thing. If you understand this thing about Asians, you should know what to do at any time, at any point in time. And you cannot buy the market and expect Asians to sell most of the times. You know, Asians, if you that saying of eye for eye, tooth for tooth, that is, it originates from Asian. They will always give you back whatever they receive from you. If you buy, they will definitely buy from you. If you sell, they will definitely help you and sell well. That is Asians for you. Okay, so because of this, I'm either looking out on this 4 hours fair value gap. Okay, I'll be watching out for this 2 zone here. I'll be watching out for a buy from here, you know, because you know we sell to buy and we buy to sell. That is the simplest way to describe what is happening in the market. Okay, so this bearish, now if you are not on short already, it's too late for you to start shorting. okay, because there is every possibility of the market reversing from anywhere. And considering the fact that today is Wednesday, even though most of the banks are on holiday, but if you understand the fact that today is Wednesday and Bitcoin can do anything on Wednesday, you will understand the fact that you have to be very careful if you are looking for short today. So I'm not saying that Bitcoin will not fall the more, but I have marked out the zones I'm expecting a reaction to buy. Is either from this 4 hours time frame fair value gap or from this other block. Okay, I will wait on a confirmation to see a reaction. What reaction am I waiting for? I'm waiting for maybe give me a rejection from here, then I will go to a lower time frame and look for a buy entry, or trade down to this place and give me a rejection to the upside, then I will look for a buy. It's as simple as that. Okay, so there's no much thing to see, but definitely I'm hoping that Bitcoin, no matter how volatile, how bearish it might sound, I'm hoping that this place might give us a momentary upside push, you know. So you have to stay safe, enjoy your holiday, and happy Mubarak, Eid Mubarak to all my Muslim friends. Enjoy your holiday, and I wish you a happy moment today and beyond. Okay, so don't forget, I remain my humble self, Bongre Solomon. Peace out. Okay, don't forget again. Okay, I've told you before, you can do it to join our Telegram channel. Don't forget to follow our page, our X page, and our TikTok, and do it to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. So thank you guys, and I will see you tomorrow in our next review. Bye for now.